Jaguar key fobs use a slide release mechanism to open, typically found on the side or bottom of the fob. Slide the tab to unlock the case and gently pry it open. The standard battery is a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell lasting 1 to 2 years. Note the battery polarity before replacing. Use a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches and ensure the rubber gasket is correctly aligned when reassembling to prevent short circuits or water ingress. If the slide release on your Jaguar key fob is stuck, check for dirt buildup around the mechanism. After replacing the battery, always confirm the fob's functionality by testing features like locking and unlocking the vehicle. If problems continue after battery replacement, refer to your vehicle's manual or contact a Jaguar dealer for assistance. For modern Jaguar models with smartphone app connectivity via JLR's in-control system, a fob reset might be required after battery replacement. Some premium Jaguar models are beginning to incorporate rechargeable lithium-ion batteries for longer life. Looking ahead, future Jaguar key systems will feature keyless entry using NFC and Bluetooth low-energy technology, eliminating the need for traditional batteries. To protect against cybersecurity risks, always keep your key fob software updated through Jaguar's systems.